this is a 48 scale Hurricane Mark 1. 148 scale from Airfix, and just grab all the stuff out of here. I'll put this back here. Have a look at the transfers first, I think, on this time. Again, transfers are very thin, nicely finished, all in register, nothing out of register as I can see. There's a lot of details again on this, detailed transfers. So you've got a couple of aircraft configurations in this, which you can see here, and I'll put that up there. I'll bring this in a little bit for you. Nice pattern on this one. I do like this one. I'll probably do this one. It'll give me that bit more colour on it. It's yellow, sand and green and black and white and silver. It'll just pop out a little bit more on the shelf. You've got the standard Hurricane camo pattern with these beige green, as they say on here. Beige green? I didn't think it was beige green, I thought it was stuck egg blue. Never mind. As I said, I'm not going to be doing that particular one. I'll get some methods online about that one if I can. And you've got two different types of props on there. And you've got a decal for the dashboard. There is some detail on the sides of the fuselage. I can see that through the bag here. Not a lot, but there is some on there. You can probably enhance that a bit. I'll probably leave the figure out on this one as well. A bit canopy opened. Hang on, canopy opened. Hang on a second. Let's have a. No, it's all in one canopy. I'm not cutting another one up. Your wheels up or down in it, and that's about it. There's only 13 builds in this, or 13 build sections in this. Well, 12 really, because the wheels are all the same. Either up or down. Again, it should make up to a nice finished model. I have seen them done really brilliantly. Even the sides cut open in maintenance so that they can, like they're welding the tubing inside the framework. So open the bag and have a look at the parts. It's on 2 sprues with a separate one for the underside wing. Pilot's separate on this as well. I don't think it's. So look at the pilot now. That's better pilot. That looks like a British pilot now in this one. The glazing, let's try it through the bag again and see. Hardly any distortion at all on that, if any. Nope. Now let's flip this around so that we're looking through the top of the canopy to the writing. Excuse a second. I'll be back in a minute. Right. I'm looking at the distortion through the top of the canopy onto the writing on the bag, and there's no distortion on that. That's a surprise, a great surprise. Anyway, that looks fine to me. That looks better than fine actually. Going on to the kit itself, let's have a look at the first sprue. It's got quite a bit of flash on this. It's going to have a lot of cleaning up to do. There's dials raised on the dashboard, so you don't have to use your decal if you don't want to. There's a lot of flash on this, a big lots of flash. Even places where there's supposed to be a hole through, it's covered in flash. But for the price I paid, I am not worried about it one bit. A little bit extra cleaning up work. As I said, you don't really need to worry about it too much. There's some scratch marks on the wings. Actually, they're pretty badly scratched up. They're very deep pin marks on the inside of the wing. Very deep. So deep I can see them through the surface of the top of the bottom wing, on the surface of it. I think I might put some primer over this before doing it, and see exactly what we've got here. They might be just ghost imprints on here, where the plastic's very thin. Anyway, that's that one. But again, like I said, for $4.99, what do you expect? You've got some nice raised panel lines and no, recessed panel lines actually. Recessed? Let me just check. Raised panel lines. I'm not sure whether that's correct or not on the Hurricane. Again, I would have to check the references for it. That rear inspection hatch. That's they're not raised. Right, okay. The front panelling's all raised on it. It's got raised panel lines, but the rear one's got recessed panel lines on it. Like I said, I'm going to have to go back to the references for that. Top wing surfaces look fine. Quite a few scratches on it where I've been knocking around and wear, as I expect. 1979, this one. So, that's older than that Russian one I got there. There is detail on the inside here, on this side here. On this side there's not much, there's a couple of ribbons on it, that's about it. But then again, you're not going to really see that much in there. By the time you get the seat in there and that. Again, there's quite a bit of flash on some of these parts, they're going to have to be really cleaned up. But all in all, again, $4.99. I'm not complaining about that at all. So, right, for 48 scale Hurricane, not a bad price, actually very good price. The kit's not the best of kits, but to add it to the collection, especially in that oddball colour scheme, it'll be a fine one to add to your collection. I may wait to see if they bring out a 48 scale new tool version of this, and I'll get that when it comes out. So for now, I'll see you later. Till I built it, bye for now. Keep up modding. See you soon.